We've covered the flooding from Helene, but strong winds were just as destructive, downing many trees, which has greatly impacted the higher elevations of our region, including the community of Roan Mountain. Meteorologist Alex Williams has that story for us.
We've shown half of the story of Helene, the flooding, but the other half of the story is the wind damage. And as residents here on Roan Mountain at 4,200-foot elevation found out, those winds were downright devastating.
Roan Mountain is no stranger to extreme winds, especially during the winter months. In fact, residents like Gary Alexander have come to expect it. But even he was impressed by Helene's powerful winds.
We have 60, 70-mile winds. That's just the way it has been always. I'm shocked at the number of large trees. I mean, trees that have been here over 100 years actually got blown down because of the rain and the wind. Very unusual to have this many trees down.
The hurricane-force gusts knocked an 18-ton tree down onto Gary's neighbor's house. The saving grace was the stone chimney and the back deck, which held the weight of the tree for days until it could be cut. Miraculously, no one was killed or even injured as it fell. While the damage to the residential neighborhoods was severe, the damage to Roan Mountain State Park was substantial.
We've seen a lot of trees down throughout the park. The majority of our damage has come from our trail system. It pretty much shut down all 12 plus miles of it.
Johnson says that there are some trees that were down that are so large in circumference that they will be difficult to remove.
We have come across, especially on the trails, some pretty large trees. Circumference-wise, you couldn't wrap
your hands around.
We couldn't reach around it.
Cleanup of the trails will take months to possibly a year due to the number of trees down across the park's more than 2,000 acres. Restoration of the mountain to its former magnificence will take all of us coming together. Reporting in Roan Mountain, Alex Williams, News Channel 11.